Welcome to Soft Tech Sharing. Today, we're diving into a highly requested topic, how you can become a full-stack developer. Whether you're just starting your tech journey or looking to expand your skills, this roadmap will guide you step by step, from mastering the front end to conquering the back end. Ready? Let's get started. First, what exactly is a full-stack developer? Think of them as the Swiss Army knives of the tech world. They can handle both the front end, what users see, and the back end, what powers it behind the scenes. This unique skill set makes full-stack developers highly valuable because they can bridge the gap between creating a great user experience and building solid technical functionality. Now, let's break it down into clear, actionable steps. Step 1. Start with the front end, which is the visual part of any website or app. To begin, learn HTML to structure web pages. It's like the blueprint of a house. Next, dive into CSS to style those pages. Think of it as interior design for your website. Then, pick up JavaScript to make your site interactive, adding things like sliders, forms, and animations. A great beginner project is creating a personal portfolio website. Not only does it teach you the basics, but it's also something you can use to showcase your skills. Pro tip: free resources like Free Code Camp and MDN Web Docs are perfect for mastering these basics. Once you're comfortable with the fundamentals, it's time for Step 2, exploring modern tools and frameworks. Start with popular front-end frameworks like React, a powerful library by Facebook for building dynamic, user-friendly interfaces. Vue, a simpler alternative for those just starting out. And don't forget about essential tools: Git and GitHub for version control and collaboration. VS Code, which is the preferred code editor for most developers. Next up, Step 3, mastering backend development, the logic and data that power your applications. Start with a backend language. If you already know JavaScript, try Node.js. Prefer Python? Go with Django or Flask for their simplicity and flexibility. Then explore databases. For structured data, learn SQL with tools like PostgreSQL. For unstructured data, dive into NoSQL with MongoDB. A solid project here is building a blog system where users can log in, write posts, and see their content displayed on the front end. Pro tip: learn how to create and use APIs. APIs connect your front end and back end, and building a simple REST API is great practice. Once you've tackled the back end, it's time for Step 4, combining it all into full-stack projects and deploying them. Use stacks like the MERN stack, MongoDB, Express.js, React, and Node.js. Or mix and match tools like Django for the back end and React for the front end. Deployment is the final step, and there are plenty of tools to make it easier. Use Netlify to host your front end. Deploy your back end with Heroku. For advanced options, explore AWS or Google Cloud for scalable hosting. Finally, Step 5, practice, build, and engage with the community. Real-world projects will help you solidify your skills. Try creating an e-commerce platform, a social media dashboard, or even a chat app with real-time features. Join developer communities like Stack Overflow, Reddit, or local meetups. Share your projects on GitHub and LinkedIn. You never know who might notice your work. And there you have it, the roadmap to becoming a full-stack developer. Remember, this is a journey, not a sprint. Take it step by step, stay consistent, and you'll see progress. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Soft Tech Sharing for more tech tips, tutorials, and career advice. Let's keep learning and growing together. See you in the next video.